Here at Blue Ribbon, that's what we're trying to teach you. That one bite. So give it to them, okay? Don't hold back. All right, so we're gonna start over on our fat side. We're going in here, that bold burger. Bold burger is salt, pepper, garlic, everything that you want, right there in one bottle. We're gonna hit that on the fat side. Give it a pat. Don't rub it. You don't have to rub your meat. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it over. That's where these handy dandy pans come in. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a smoke ring. Everybody knows what a smoke ring is. That's whenever you smoke a brisket for 17 or 18 hours and you get this nice pink line around the outside of the brisket. Totally false, okay? It's not at all what it is. And I don't know the exact word. It's where the hemoglobins or something like that actually interact with the heat and the salt from your meat, okay? So we don't have time for that to happen in competition barbecue. Remember, this brisket only takes us about 6.5 hours to cook. So, W sauce. W sauce is great on steaks, it's great on hamburgers, and guess what? It's great on brisket, okay? So, Worcestershire sauce is liquid salt. And I know everybody out there says, I love Worcestershire sauce. I love Worcestershire sauce. Yes, Worcestershire sauce is great. How many of you guys know, how many of you guys like anchovies? Everybody's like, hate anchovies. Anchovies are disgusting. Well, do you know what this is made of? 100% anchovies. You'll never think of it again. Yeah, you're done. All right, so we're just gonna come in. We're gonna give it a nice little drizzle over the top. Not too much. We're just gonna ease it back and forth on the sides. So now what you've got this nice looking bark. So now we're gonna come back in with our Blue Ribbon Bolden burger. And what I like to do is I like to slide. Use the pan, not the meat. Don't touch the meat. Take your pan, turn your pan up on its side. When you get your sides, hit the side of that brisket really well. Slide it down, spin it around. Same thing, we're gonna slide it over. And what we're doing is we're having this pan actually help attach that seasoning to the side of that brisket. Because you remember, one bite, that's all they get, one bite. So if they want a bite from the side, it's gonna taste the same as the bite from the center. Okay, now we're going in on top. Nice and good. Where we got, that's a prime beef, that's a sweet, that's the maple chipotle, there we go. All right, so I like to build flavors, okay? So whenever you take a bite of my brisket, you should take a bite and it could go, wow, this is really salty. Man, it's really smooth, you got this garlic. Now what I wanna do is I wanna hit you with another little layer. I wanna make it so that you're going, wow, and it grows. As you're chewing it, it grows, it moves. So now what we're going with is that prime beef rub. Prime beef rub is going a little bit. And guys, what we're doing here at Blue Ribbon is we're taking you to the next layer. I mean, the next layer in barbecue. You started out in your backyard beating up on your neighbors. Now it's going to the competition world. All right, nice even coat, right over the top. Now we're coming back with that wonderful Lone Star beef. It's got that cumin, it's got that little extra pop, and we're just gonna hit it right there on top. Again, we're gonna slide over to the side. I didn't do it on my other one. We're gonna slide it over, and we're gonna hit it just like that. And guess what? She's ready to go. Absolutely ready to cook. So what we would like to do now, I want you to set this in the refrigerator, okay? Whenever you set this in the refrigerator, I want you to cover it in aluminum foil. Do not forget to cover it in aluminum foil, because if you take it and just put it in your refrigerator just like it is right now, there's a fan that is in your refrigerator. That fan is in there to dry meat out. Make sure you cover this so that it's not pulling all the moisture out of your meat inside that fan, inside that refrigerator. In the morning, we're gonna light our fires at 6 a.m. 400 degrees. We're gonna take you to the next level. Keep watching. Here we go. See it crumbling on the ends? That's just from us cutting it while it's hot. And whenever you're cutting outside, you're really kind of exposed to the elements. Blue ribbon brisket. That's what we'd slice up. We would actually take our spatula, we would pick that up and slide it in our box and let their tongues beat them up. I think it's tender. Money, dude. Ha ha!